Hi, welcome back to my channel Jay's Amazing World. Today I can't believe what I found. I have found a bird's nest. Normally you are thinking what is so amazing in a bird's nest, but a bird will build a nest in three branches. But I have found this nest in a wolf hole. See? Now let us go and see how amazing it is. Follow me. Look at the nest in the hole of the wall. See how amazing it is? And can you see the eggs? See the white is the eggs and it have black spots on it. See how amazing it is? Can you see the eggs? See there are 1 and 2 and 3 eggs. See the nest is in a hole and the hole is in a wall. See how amazing it is? The bird's nest. Do you like it? How is the bird's nest in a hole in the wall? Do you like that sentence? It's so funny. That sentence is so funny, right? Okay, now forward of that sentence. After some days, I'm going to show you that that eggs will become hatch and then it will become into babies. I'll try to show you that babies and I'll even try to show you what type of bird it is. Okay? Bye. Meet me in the next video.